Good evening, Saxon families, and welcome to Open House. My name is Tom Mocon, and I'm proud to serve as principal here at Schaumburg High School. Tonight is an opportunity to step into your students' world, to meet their teachers, experience their classrooms, and learn more about what we're working toward together this year. At SHS, we want every student to have a great high school experience, but even more importantly, we want that experience to prepare them for what comes next. At SHS, everything begins with our why. We empower students to grow. Every student's journey is different, but how we create the conditions for growth remains consistent. Ultimately, that experience has to prepare our students for life beyond Schaumburg High School. Our goal is for every Saxon to graduate college and career ready, with the knowledge, skills, experiences, and confidence to take their next step. That may mean being prepared to enroll in college, university, or additional training, to be employed and enter the workforce or a trade, or to enlist and serve our country. And that preparation happens every day in our classrooms. This year, we're especially focused on creating classrooms where students aren't simply receiving information. They're thinking and communicating their thinking. You'll see that through strong Tier 1 instruction and through what we call SWIRL, a focus on speaking, writing, interacting, reading, and listening. We want students discussing ideas, solving problems, asking questions, writing, collaborating, and explaining not only what they think, but why. We're also working to remove one of the biggest distractions from that experience, cell phones. Our goal isn't simply to take phones away, it's to give something back. Their attention, their conversations, their interactions with teachers and classmates, and their opportunity to be fully present in their own learning. And that brings us to the challenge we're putting in front of every Saxon this year. Rise and conquer. Rise to the challenge, conquer the moment. We want our students to rise to whatever challenge is in front of them and conquer that moment by giving their absolute best. Conquering doesn't mean being perfect. It means showing up, putting in the work, responding when things get difficult, and becoming better because of the experience. That's what we want for our students every day. Tonight, you'll get to experience a little of that for yourself as you follow your students' schedule. Each class will last approximately 10 minutes, with 5 minutes to make your way to the next classroom. Our counselors, social workers, and school psychologists, along with cookies, will also be available in the Media Center. And make sure to stop by the showcase hallway near the auditorium by our main entrance to learn more about our Saxon boosters, ways to get involved, and opportunities to show your Saxon pride. Thank you for being here tonight, and more importantly, for partnering with us throughout your students' high school journey. Together, we want our students to grow, to discover what they're capable of, and to leave Schaumburg High School prepared for whatever comes next. Our goal is to support every Saxon in becoming the very best they can be every single day. So this year, let's encourage our students to rise to the challenge and conquer the moment. Have a great open house, and as always, go Saxons!